IISER Aptitude Test is the gateway for your dream research institutes like IISc Bangalore, IISER Pune, IISER Mohali, IISER Bhopal, IISER TVM, IISER Tirupati, IISER Behrampur. Not only that, through your IAT exam, you get admission into IIT Guwahati and IIT Madras. And you also, from this year, would be getting admission in IISERs Kolkata from your IISER Aptitude Test. Now, many students have a simple query: how we can apply, where we can find the registration links, what are the colleges we can apply into, what is the application fees. So don't worry, because everything that you need to know about your IISER Aptitude Test will be told to you today in this video. So let's not waste any further time and let's begin with our video. Now, when you open your IISER website, you will see a page like this and you will have an Apply Now IAT 2026. Now remember, your IISER Aptitude Test is scheduled on June 7, 2026 from 9 AM to 12 PM. Okay, so here you will be getting admission in your IISER Behrampur, IISER Bhopal, IISER Kolkata, IISER Mohali, IISER Pune, IISER Thiruvananthapuram and IISER Tirupati. So these are the 7 IISERs in total which take admission through your IISER Aptitude Test. Now let's talk about the BTech, BSMS and dual degree programs that are offered here. So you have a 5 years BSML dual degree for all the science students, irrespective of the fact if you have a maths or a biology background. You have a 5 years BSML dual degree program in computational and data science that is only in IISER Kolkata, and maths for this course is absolutely necessary. Now you have a 4-year BTech course in IISER Bhopal, BS in Economics again in IISER Bhopal, and BS in Economics and Statistical Sciences in IISER Tirupati for science students. Again, for these courses, mathematics is compulsory. Now there is classroom learning. You have curriculum which focuses on both breadth and depth in your natural science, computational and data sciences, engineering, economic sciences, economics and statistical sciences. You get fully residential campuses and you have well-equipped hostels. Now the key features, if you talk about the key features about these programs, is that you have highly competent and motivated faculty. Okay, you have integrated undergraduate teaching and cutting-edge research. You get exposure and access to world-class research facilities through their, labs and all, starting from the first day. And not only that, you get research internships and year-long research projects leading to your MS thesis. Not only that, if you are associated with either of these colleges, you also get an opportunity to apply for higher studies, internships, programs, etc. even outside India. Yes, you can easily apply outside India as well. Now, if I talk about what are the other institutes that take your IAT exam, first, again, we all know is your IISc Bangalore, needless to say. Then you have your IIT Madras, IIT Guwahati, IISc Bangalore, IISERs Kolkata and IIEST Shivpur. Now, IIT Madras has a 4 years Bachelor's of Science program. IIT Guwahati has a 4-year program on Biomedical Science and Engineering. IISc Bangalore has a 4 years Bachelor's of Science program. IISERs Kolkata, now this is the same institute where Dr. C.V. Raman sir did his research from and got India its first Nobel Prize in Science. So they offer a course of Integrated Bachelor's Masters in Science, that is your BSMS program. And IIEST Shivpur, it offers a 5 years BSMS in Physics, Chemistry and Applied Geology programs. Now again, to register for these colleges also, all you have to do is go to your IISER portal and apply for your IAT. Once you have done that, the eligibility criteria. Now the candidate must have passed 12th or should be appearing in 12th. Now 2 years droppers are allowed. This is 2026. So all the students who actually gave their boards in 2024 can appear for this exam. However, you need an aggregate of 60% marks in your board exam. So if your percentage is less than 60%, then you are not eligible to sit for this examination. Okay, so you must have PCMB. Now you can have both maths and biology, or you can have either. That is absolutely not an issue. For admission in the programs like your computational and data science program at Kolkata, 4 years BTech program and your economic science program at Bhopal, and 4 years BS in economics and statistical sciences at IISER Tirupati, maths should be compulsory in your class 12th, like I just told you. Okay, and candidates who are from SC, ST, PWD, they are required to score a minimum of 55% aggregate marks in their board exams. Okay, so moving on to the important dates. Now the application portals have already opened. They opened on 5th March 2026 and they will be closing on 13th April. So you still have time to apply for this examination. So the correction window will be from 16th to 18th April. However, I would still suggest, if you haven't seen our video as to how to fill your IAT application form, we have a detailed video video. Do check that out and you can fill it step by step. I have filled that form for you so that you do not make a mistake, because don't wait for these application correction windows, okay? Now, your hall ticket or your admit card will be released on May 24th and your actual exam is on 7th June. Answer key display again would be on June 7 itself, and your candidate's response from upload and portal opens for filing objections, that is on June 9. Now, the portal will close for filing objections, that is on June 13. And for your window for selective information or any document upload that you were not able to do, that will happen from June 13 to June 21. And last date for your documentation upload is June 21. Now, if I talk about your IISER aptitude test, now IISER aptitude test consists of both physics, chemistry, maths and biology. 15 questions from each subject. For every correct question, you will have a +4 mark. And for every incorrect answer, you will have a -1. Now, if you are not attempting any question, you will not be guaranteed any marks. So the maximum marks is of 240 marks and the total duration is of 3 hours, that is just 180 minutes. Okay, it is a multiple choice question and it will be in your CBT mode, that is your computer based test. So now coming to the seat matrix. Now IISER Berhampur for your BSMS program has around 300 seats. Same is for IISER Bhopal as well. They also have 300 seats. Now in IISER Kolkata for BSMS program, they have 280 seats. Your IISER Kolkata in BSMS in computational and data science, they have around 30 seats. And IISER Mohali has 275 seats. IISER Pune has 288 seats. And IISER Thiruvananthapuram has 320 seats. So IISER Thiruvananthapuram has the maximum number of seats in your BSMS program. Now in IISER Bhopal, now let's talk about the BTech courses. In IISER Bhopal, the BTech course in chemical engineering only has 40 seats. Okay, and in your IISER Bhopal, BTech in electrical engineering and computer science has 75 seats. Your BTech in data science and engineering in IISER Bhopal has 80 seats, and BS in economical sciences in IISER Bhopal has 55 seats. Now IISER Tirupati, the BS in economics and statistical sciences, they have about 50 seats. So the total you have 2,343 seats available from your IISER aptitude test. Now let's talk about your application fees. So for all the general category, EWS, OBC, NCL categories, the application fee is around 2,000 rupees. For all the candidates who are applying under your PWD, Kashmiri migrant, SC or ST, their category fees is 1,000 rupees, and the candidates who are applying under foreign national category, their fees is around 12,000 rupees. And the application fee is non-refundable. Yes, so once you pay the fees, you will not get a refund even if you are not attempting your exam. And if I talk about your seat acceptance fees, now this is the fees that you will be paying after you have completed your exam and you get selected. Seat acceptance fees is to be paid only after an offer of admission has been made to the candidate. Okay, so you have 35,000 rupees, that is 2,500 plus 10,000, which is non-refundable administrative fees for your general category, EWS, OBC, NCL, PWD, your Kashmiri migrant, Kashmiri Pandits, all those students, they have a 35,000 of seat acceptance fees. For all the students who belong to the category of ST and SC, their fees is 17,500. Now in this, your 10,000 for all the general category students, the 10,000 is the non-refundable fee, and in your 17,500, 5,000 rupees is non-refundable fees for your ST and SC categories. Now, if a student fails to deposit this fees in the stipulated time, then their offer is going to get cancelled and then you will not be allotted any seat in your IISER aptitude test the same year. So this was all about our IISER aptitude test. Now you people are wondering that why am I the one telling you this? Well, let me tell you something. SciAstra is India's largest scientific community that has proven its worth with results. Now, if you look at these selection rates, okay, All India Rank 1, All India Rank 3, 5, and single digit, double digit, triple digit. So all these ranks are from where? All these ranks are from our institute. SciAstra is known for its selection in these premier research institutes. In IISc last year, where we organized the fresher, the seats that we filled were more than 20. So there are around, I think, 50 seats or so. 20 plus selections were actually there from SciAstra. In 7 IISERs, 20 to 25% selections or 20 to 25 admissions were from SciAstra. And in your next examination also, 50% of the students who went in your NIISER Bhubaneswar and CBS Mumbai were from SciAstra itself. You can also go to our website and check out our crash courses. Now, if you're preparing for both IIT and NEST, we have a complete combo crash course for you all. You have your IAT crash course as well as your NEST crash course. Now, all in these crash courses, you will have daily revision classes from Monday to Saturday. You'll have doubt solving sessions from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. Sorry, that was 10 p.m. Never mind, fumbles happen. And you will also be getting 12 IAT mocks to prepare from, and they will be in CBT mode. You will be getting chapter-wise CBTs to practice from, and you will be covering all 4 subjects. And for those students who feel that their particular subject is a little weak, or they need some extra guidance or a personal mentor who can actually, walk through them through the entire journey, we have our personalized crash course. Here you get personalized roadmaps and strategies, you get bi-weekly student meetings, and you have a dedicated batch mentor. Now, what does that mean? You get 2-tier level of support. You get support for your personal problems also, you get support for your academic problems also. Because we all know if our personal mind is not free, then it will definitely reflect in our academic performance. If you have any further questions, you can drop them in the comment section below. And if you want to contact us, our support team's number will be there in the pinned comment. So feel free to reach out. And all the best for your preparation, because you hardly have 75 days left. So please prepare seriously and check out our crash courses also. Any questions, leave them in the comment. We will definitely revert back. Thank you.